Hey everyone, in this video what we're going to do is we're going to solve the following differential equation. We have d of f of x dx is equal to 1 over alpha multiplied by f of x, where alpha is some constant not equal to 0. Now the technique that we're going to use to solve this differential equation is called separation of variables. So let's begin by multiplying both sides of our equation by f of x and d of x. So on the left hand side we have f of x multiplied by df of x, and on the right hand side we have dx divided by alpha. Now what we want to do is integrate both sides of our equation. So on the left hand side we have the integral of f of x df of x, and on the right hand side we have the integral of dx divided by alpha, but alpha is just a constant, so what we can do is we can bring the 1 over alpha outside of the integral sign, so we have 1 over alpha multiplied by the integral of 1 times dx. Now all we need to do is integrate both sides of our equation. Integrating the left hand side we have f of x squared divided by 2, and on the right hand side we have 1 over alpha multiplied by x plus c, where c is a constant. Now if we multiply 1 over alpha by x plus c, we have that the right hand side is equal to x plus c divided by alpha. And if we multiply both sides of our equation by 2, on the left hand side we have f of x squared, and on the right hand side we have 2x plus capital C divided by alpha. Now, in the previous step we had x plus lowercase c, and in this step we now have 2x plus capital C after multiplying by 2. The reason is because if you multiply 2 by lowercase c, you just get another constant, and we're just going to represent that other constant with capital C. So that's essentially the reason why we've went from lowercase c to capital C. If we take the square root of both sides of our equation, we have that f of x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 2x plus capital C divided by alpha, which is the final answer to our problem. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this content useful. If you have any questions or problems you'd like to see get solved in future videos, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you have a great day.